What does indigenous wisdom and knowledge potentially miss by not intentionally incorporating Western science and some of the methodologies?
I'm glad you asked the question because I think we have had such a long-standing view that, it has to be a competition if we're considering both, and it has to be one or the other, or we have to walk around so much fragility that we cannot even talk about it. And that is just a lose-lose for every part of the world. I do think there's so many ways that indigenous knowledge gets benefited from incorporating modern science. For example, with modern science, we are able to map where stingless bees are across the Amazon, which is helping indigenous people expand their beekeeping systems to be able to bring more food and more economy. With camera trap knowledge using and technology and like AI, we are able to identify and see animals in areas that they may have never seen them before. A very clear example, in this last trip in July, we were working in this Ashaninka territory where they, by virtue of their own indigenous knowledge and some early surveys, they have an idea of the fauna there and the list of endangered species that lives there, which is critical for them to advocate for funding and support. But they had never, ever imagined that the Andean bear lives in their territory. We only just discovered that because of the camera trap modern science system that we have input there.